a few minutes more. Okay, so this is how you make the chimichurri sauce. First, I'm going to use this flat leaf parsley. I'm going to see if there's a different name for it, but I don't really have to cut it up little. I'm just going to cut it up big because it's going to go right into my ninja. About, let me see, maybe about a half a teaspoon of garlic. I'm going to put 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, teaspoon of red wine vinegar. Put that in there. A little ginger. Going to put a little shake, just a few little red pepper flakes. We don't want it too spicy. And we're going to just take this lemon and cut it just slightly less than half of the lemon. We're going to squeeze that lemon juice in there. That's all there is to it.